Hello everyone and welcome to Sewing with Miss Rice. We are on the 10th step for the pillowface project where we are now going to start stuffing pillowface. Now something I did beforehand is I went ahead and folded down on the inside where I wanted pillowface to be. So I want him to finish up at this size, which for me is about 6 inches long. So I went ahead and did that just to space out. Now, there's two types of fill you may use. Polyfill is the most common, and as a result it is also the easiest to use. You just kind of grab it, stuff it, and you're good to go. In our class, what some of y'all will get to use is the cotton fill, and what this is actually already really crammed in, so we actually have to fluff it up a little bit, so you can see here, to fill in. And as you fluff it, you lightly pack it in there. And that's all you do. You just fluff, and then pack it in. Now, as you can see, it really doesn't take long. It doesn't take a lot. So, now there's a couple of reasons why you may choose to use this. A lot of people like using this because it is natural. So you aren't worrying about using polyester, which is man-made. You are also not worrying about using a lot of fake things. Some people like cotton. Now, in polyfill, you also have to be careful how you wash it. So there's all those little things. So what I'm doing is, and let me get a better shot here, is when I take this, I'm taking the lump and I'm pull, just little bits at a time. And you see how this sun gets really big and fluffy. If any of you have a pet mouse or gerbil at home and you give them cotton balls, you've probably seen them do something similar. And as you can see, it really does not take a lot before this guy starts getting kind of fluffy. So, I'm going to go ahead and finish fluffing him up. In the next video, you will learn how to do a whip stitch to close it up. I would like to mention that if you do not feel comfortable doing the whip stitch at the end, a running stitch also works, but I like the whip stitch, and you'll see why in the next video. So until next time, happy sewing!